Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Blake. I am a fashion beauty lifestyle blogger. And if you're not new here, hi, hello, I love you, I missed you. So today's video is actually going to take place over many months because this video is going to be all of the skin treatments that I got done to my skin to prep for the wedding. So I have taken content at a lot of the appointments, although I haven't taken content at every single one, just because a lot of the procedures that I got done were just the same procedure over and over, and I didn't want it to be super repetitive, but I am gonna put a graphic of exactly what I got done and when, and then it would like work back from the wedding, and that can be there for you to like reference back, or you can even show it to your practitioner or your esthetician if you are looking to get some results like I did. I will say that this plan was created for me and my skin concerns. So even though you can bring that graphic to your practitioner or your esthetician and show them exactly what I got for my wedding prep, they really should curate a plan for you and your skin's needs. This was just specifically for my skin and my skin's needs, but I wanted to share it with you guys anyway because I knew that a lot of people are interested in it. As always, I got all of these procedures done by Jen Hollander at the Beverly Hills Center for Plastic Surgery. I trust her with my skin and she is the absolute best at what she does. So I am so happy with how everything turned out. So let's just jump right in. I just can't believe, like I literally, it was September 1st and then I was like, oh, what's today's date? And I was like September 22nd. Like,
September like just flew.
Yeah.
Like, where did it go?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Good, yeah.
Good to see you.
Yeah,
I just sent you the address.
Oh, perfect. Good.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh my
I'm
God,
so excited.
I'm so freaking excited.
Hopefully.
So this is her.
Oh my god. Wow.
But I'm gonna have like white going down. Like this is like.
Oh my god. It
Yeah.
looks like $1 million.
Well, it felt like it when I was swiping my credit card too, but. But like, hi.
They
We
gave
were
me
just
all
chatting.
the deeds about the
Yeah.
wedding. I'm
I
so
found
excited.
all
Oh my
numbers,
God, I
like,
cannot
remember.
wait.
I can't wait.
I know.
We have
We're
to
like,
look for our flights actually.
I have to look for like my outfit.
Gotta look for-
you do.
So we're doing a really easy, kind of like a lunchtime laser called the Clear and Brilliant. And it's by a company called Solta that also produces the Fraxel laser, which carries a lot more heat, more injury, more downtime, more for mature skin types. But for Blake, this is kind of the perfect thing to get her ready for her wedding. So we're going to be doing a series of these.
And what does this target?
So this is targeting a combination of sun damage. It's helping to resurface old tissue, generate new collagen, and other skin proteins that help the skin look a lot younger, healthier, more radiant, clear and brilliant. And what I love about it is it gives you a lot for very little downtime. Chin up for me. And it's relatively painless. And there's really, when I say no downtime, I mean, you know, you're pink for about the first day, maybe the second day, a little bit of swelling, but that goes away usually after 48 hours. And then you just like look normal and you can go about your life. I will say that patients do experience some texture changes when you touch your skin. It kind of feels like sandpaper, but you don't peel or anything like that. And you can wear makeup and
Yeah, when
downtime
can
is
you wear
little to
makeup?
nothing. Like tomorrow, you can wear makeup tomorrow.
And is there any like additional skincare that I should do or like leave out or anything like that, like retinols and stuff?
Yeah, so basically for the next week or so, you'll be using our post-care kit for the Clear and Brilliant, which includes the phytocorrective mask by SkinCeuticals, and I might even give you the pigment control cream by Zio just to address some of this lighter pigmentation here. And you'll use that for maybe 2 weeks.
Okay.
And then you can jump back into your skincare program, usually after a week. What's really cool is after something like Clear and Brilliant, you have the patient come back in 10 to 14 days, and then you DiamondGlow them because you're going to do a combination of 3 things. You're going to resurface the skin of any like debris or any of that dead skin that you got after the Clear and Brilliant. that didn't slough off on its own, you're also going to push serum into the skin. So you're pushing hydration into the skin, and then you're also sucking out any waste. One of the reasons why we use Retin-A is to optimize the skincare plan. So say you want to get the most benefits from the peptide or growth factor that you're using in the evening, you're going to use Retin-A regularly because you're allowing that your tissue to become more available for these actives. Tretinoin opens up the cell walls of the tissue and also forces chemical exfoliation.
And there's no downtime with the DiamondGlow.
None. So it's a event-ready treatment. So, you know, for someone like Blake, we're prepping her for her wedding. We're going to do a Clear and Brilliant. We're going to have her come back in 10 to 14 days, and then we're going to do the DiamondGlow. And we're going to do that every time, probably about a series of 3, and then I just might do the series of the Microneedling and PRP, which I will be including the neck.
So much education.
And do you ever do Clear and Brilliant on the neck? Or?
Yeah, you can. You absolutely can. You would have to commit to no spray tans for like I know.
Okay,
So how's your skin?
it's good. You would know better than me. Take a look, see. I just have like skincare and stuff.
Okay, you've got a little bit of roughage left still.
I do. I think it's also like sometimes
From the surgery.
No, but sometimes my skincare, like my
Want to take a
SPF. Oh yeah. Sometimes my SPF like can leave my skin like a little bit like pilly. Too. Like some days it'll be good, and then others it's just like, nope, I'm gonna pill today. I'm like, okay, cool.
Oh no, that's not cool.
I know.
Is it the Ulta?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna give you something else.
Okay.
No, like you. We did the Clear and Brilliant on you. And then now we're gonna do a DiamondGlow.
I've never done a DiamondGlow before.
Oh, it's great. Okay, so basically it's gonna help to resurface the skin with the diamond tip technology. So what micro dermabrasion would be, right? But the newer form of microdermabrasion where they use a diamond tip.
That's
Which is
interesting.
this guy right here. So when we do the treatments, it is resurfacing the skin with the diamond tip. It's infusing vitamin C serum into the tissue.
Okay.
And it's extracting all the schmutz.
Extract it. Get it out of there.
All the dead skin, all the slough.
Perfect.
All the oil, all the debris.
Perfect.
And your skin should just look and feel very glowy afterwards.
Perfect. How long does it usually last for?
Well, it's kind of, you're gonna kind of get more of a compounded effect between the Clear and Brilliant and this. And this should last you at least 2 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
And aftercare?
No aftercare, it's an event-ready treatment.
Wow.
Shannon? Romantic.
Blake is
I'm the worst with Michelin
worst
stars.
with Michelin stars.
What do you mean?
Because Blake only likes pizza and pasta, and so we went to a 3 Michelin star in London. She liked nothing. Zero of the things.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
well, at least,
But like,
okay,
you know,
great.
we'll go.
The view,
Yeah.
you're like right underneath the freaking bridge, and you see the whole
That's awesome.
city lit up, and you
Wow.
see like water taxis going back and forth. It's gorgeous.
Should I sit?
Yes,
yes, Okay.
Is it
Have a
okay that I
seat.
film?
Oh yeah.
How are you, Miss
I'm good.
Blake?
How are you, Wait? Hi.
My children. It's a pleasure.
So I really like to bring the pen into the vermilion border. I like that because not only can it help to soften some of the vertical lines that people can get that, you know, the lipstick will bleed into. That's not the case for Blake. But the other thing I like about it that I see in myself that I do see in her is that it's going to add some hydration. It's going to stimulate hyaluronic acid around her mouth. And that's going to kind of give a nice eversion to the lip, and it's gonna look good. It already looks good.
After my microneedling with PRP, it feels like soft to the touch. Like it doesn't feel like sandpaper like the Clear and Brilliant does sometimes, or like other lasers do, but it's definitely just like a little bit red, and she went really hard in this area. So I do have a little bit of like, I don't know, bruising, and then right here as well. But yeah, I'm gonna put just like maybe some like tinted moisturizer on today. I'm not gonna do like too much makeup, but I also feels good and it looks good, and I cannot recommend this enough. Also, I just wanted to show it to you more in front of the window. So this is what we're dealing with. The downtime is usually like, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, but yeah, there's so much. We're like exclusively dating at this point. But then I didn't see you for a while.
I know. Oh,
how are you?
This is Taylor.
Hi.
I think we saw you yesterday. You had surgery, right?
So I was like, I'm getting my under eyes glazed off.
Okay, so I'm not doing the 35 on you.
What does that mean?
That's what I use.
Oh, the
that's what I did on you.
percentage?
Yeah.
Okay.
What I don't want to happen is long-term hyperemia, which is just redness.
Okay.
No.
No.
No
redness.
So we're just gonna do a 20% and be cool.
A 20% chill. Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna do 20% chill.
Cool.
Yeah.
What's the like max percent?
Oh God, you can really kick it up. I mean, yeah, you could, which you would never want to
No.
do.
Mhm.
Do a croton peel, which is a different type of acid that penetrates at deeper levels. When you're getting down to like the reticular dermis, you can actually get really good results, borderlining scarring.
Yeah.
Got it.
So
Like those TikToks where the whole face comes off.
that is a croton peel.
Those are weird. I'm not down with that.
That is
That's
like
a little
potato
intense.
peel.
Do you like that?
No,
Okay.
that is a lot of hand holding. That is
Yeah.
a lot of aftercare.
Yeah.
And no.
Okay. This is day 2 of the peel. I just woke up, so I haven't like washed my face or put my Aquaphor on, but we are not peeling yet. But I think that we're gonna start peeling probably in the next like 2 days. I want to give you guys a final update on my TCA peel for my under eye wrinkles. I finished peeling yesterday, which was Monday. I got the procedure on Thursday. Last time it took me about 6 days. I think this time it took me 4. I think that it had to do with the percentage of TCA that we used. We only used 20, so I think that I peeled a little bit quicker. But I'm gonna do a little zoom in of my eye. My wrinkles are definitely less visible, I think. And I am very happy. I'm a little bit puffy on this side. This side did hurt a little bit more when I got it done, but I'm a little bit more puffy on this side, and I can still see that I'm a little bit red right here. But overall, I love it. And all right, guys, this is the last thing that I'm gonna be doing to my face. I am going to go get my Botox. John is going to get Botox as well. I'm gonna definitely get some around here, here, here. I think that's everywhere I get it, but I haven't gotten Botox since I think like mid-December, so it's been 4 weeks. By the way, I say Botox because I'm just like used to it, but we actually get Dysport. We're about like 5 weeks out from the wedding. She said that she likes to do a sweet spot between like 6 and 8 weeks, but I said that I wanted it a little bit closer to the wedding just because we're traveling for a month after and I want it to be like super fresh. So I convinced her to let us do 5 weeks, but she said the sweet spot is 6 to 8. Hi! How are you?
How are you?
Good. It's the final countdown. This is like the last thing that we're doing.
Excited.
I know.
see you right before you go. And if we need to make any last minute adjustments, we will.
Okay, perfect.
And then if you want, I can pack you some skin stuff that you can just have in your room, like a mask and this and that.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Okay, perfect.
Creates sort of it works on these things called erector pili muscles, which are the muscles that make you have goosebumps, and it causes a shrink wrap effect.
Whoa. Do you get goosebumps a lot? I get them all the time.
Whenever I feel something strongly, I do. Okay, big smile. The key is getting into the right plane. And it works pretty quickly. Like, you'll notice within a really short period of time. I'm trying to sort of engineer something for you here.
The Cupid's bow?
Yeah, I'm trying to make them less. And I'm trying to raise the height.
So I'm done with all of the invasive treatments, kind of like the lasers, the peels, all of that stuff. But I still think that I am going to hopefully get 1, possibly 2 DiamondGlow facials. That is kind of like a hydrofacial, but it's like her cooler, older, does a little bit more for you, older sister. And you can do those like a week to 2 weeks before your event. People call them event ready facials. Jen does book out, so I'm gonna have to try to get in to see her. Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. So last night, this always happens whenever I have like a full day of shit. I cannot sleep the night before. I mean, it doesn't happen.
You woke me up last night.
I know. I like couldn't sleep, and it was like 2 o'clock in the morning by the time I went to sleep, and then John's alarm went off at 7:10, and he left it in the bedroom. When I mean, it wasn't far off from when my alarm was going off. My alarm was going off at 7:30. But wow, those extra 20 minutes would have been really nice, babe. But yeah, so we are on our way to go see Jen. I'm doing my literal last thing that I'm doing, and we're doing a DiamondGlow facial, which is an event-ready facial. It doesn't have any downtime, anything like that. It's kind of like a hydrofacial, but like, I think it's a little bit better than a hydrofacial. So anyway, I'm ice rolling my face because I'm super puffy and I'm just trying to wake myself up. This entire day I have a ton of stuff that I need to get done. Like, I'm back to back booked. So I'm hoping that I'm not just gonna like be super run down at the end of the day, because tomorrow I have my dress fitting at 10 a.m. So I have to be on my game for that one.
This is the final.
Yeah, this is the final. The last 3 times I'm like, so I'm going in to see Jen, this is my final thing. And I'm like, and now I'm going in to see Jen, this is my final thing. Head here. Okay.
DiamondGlow versus hydrofacial.
So what I like about the DiamondGlow is there's a diamond tip, which is a microdermabrasion tip.
Oh, Beverly Hills of it, you know?
And it's like you get the hydration and the serums and that component and like the sucking out of any waste and dead skin, but you're also getting that exfoliation. In my view, I kind of like it better than a hydrofacial.
Yeah.
For that reason.
Yeah.
But they're both great technologies, but if you're looking for something a little bit more resurfacing without being too aggressive, like laser or something that carries no downtime, this would be it.
Yeah.
Extracts, infuses, and resurfaces. And this is a brightening serum that I've chosen for you. Perfect. And got this one. This also, by way of the strokes that I do, helps to promote lymphatic drainage.
that is all of the skin treatments that I'm going to be doing for the wedding. I think that my skin has improved so much over the last, like, I don't know, year. The fine lines and wrinkles and the sunspots and discoloration were my main concerns, and we did a lot of things that were going to help them. And I honestly think that my skin looks so good. Let me know if you have any questions on any of the treatments that I did in the comments. Make sure to follow Jen, and if you are in the LAOC area, maybe even the Valley, please go and see her if you have a wedding coming up, or if honestly for anything. Like, she's like my big older sister. Like, I love her so much. She is amazing. That is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I know that it was a long time coming, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.